Hello YouTube, it's Chris here. Today we have an unboxing of DR.Q projector. This projector comes from Amazon. It's only £50 and it has a lot of features. You can play on 1080p, you can play from TV, from the PC, from the mobile phone. You got USB and LED, and they call it a mini projector, but let me say it's very heavy. It looks like a normal one. So let's open the box, and yes, you have 3-year warranty with this one. But let's open the box now to see what's inside. Inside here we got a projector. Then we got another box, and that's it. That's an empty box now. Okay, so here we have the projector. Nice cover. Inside the bag we got a universal 4-inch mini projector case. If you use this one, you will get another extra 12 months warranty. You got a warranty card. Then you got a quick user guide for your mini home projector. Then you got a user manual for your DR.Q mini projector. And this is the projector, but we can do a review later. Now let's see what we have in this box. This box here comes with a remote control, and it comes in this bag with cables, power cable, normal power cable. You got a 3.5 jack to AV cable. Then you got HDMI cable and the screw, I think for the height of the projector. So now let's see the projector now, what kind of sockets you have on it. So here on top we got the menu buttons. You got power button, back button, OK, and directional buttons, menu button, and the source button. Here you have the keystone, and here you have the focus. Here is the DC or maybe AC connector, and on this side you got VGA connector, USB connector, and HDMI connector. And this one here, it's a headphones connector and AV connector. Yeah, so you have a screw here, and with this screw you can set up your projector high. Strange, this one is not working. Now I don't know what should I do with this screw anymore. Okay, I think you can use a normal screw, but they should provide one. So there is, guys, you have the lens, sockets, focus and keystone, and menu buttons. On the back you have a speaker for the projector. Oh, there is, this is the one for the height, I think. Yes, with this one you can put the projector higher and lower. Okay, so this is all for today. This is what you get in this pack: the projector, the cables, remote control, and HDMI cable, and the manuals, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, all the best. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. See you soon.